special pairs of angles. This is on page 30. The first thing we're going to learn is complementary angles. Complementary angles are two angles whose measure equals 90 degrees when you add them together. If you see this angle here equals 60, that angle equals 30. You add the two together, 60 plus 30 equals 90. Those are complements of each other. This angle is 50, this angle is 40. You add them together, they equal 90. Those two angles are complements of each other. They are complementary angles. Write this down all in your notebook. All right, over here, I have supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are two angles whose measure equals 180 degrees. I have a 120 degree angle, a 60 degree angle. I add those together, I get 180. So over here, I'm just going to erase this. I have two supplementary angles. This one's x, then this one would just be 180 minus x. So the difference between complementary is they two angles that add up to 90. Supplementary, two angles that add up to 180. So if I gave you the angle 20, the complement of that would be 90 minus 20, which is 70. The supplement of that would be 180 minus 20, which is 160. So 20's complement is 90 and 20's supplement is 160.
You mean 70.
I mean 70, sorry. Vertical angles are angles that form an X. So if I have two angles here, and this one was 50, this one is going to be 52 because theorem 1.3 says vertical angles are congruent. That's a real important theorem to write down in your notebook. It's theorem 1.3. Vertical angles are congruent. Write this all in your notebook. If that's 50 and that's 50, these also are vertical angles, and these two are supplements. How much is that? You go 180 minus 50 is 130, so that would be 130. It doesn't look like a 130 degree angle, but we'll go with it. Those are supplements, those are supplements, those are supplements. These are vertical, these are vertical. Okay, so anytime you're given an X, if they give you the amount of the degrees, if that's 90, that's 92. And then there you go, that's 90 and that's 90. Those are supplements. Okay, here's two examples. The measure of a supplement, which is two angles which equal 180, of an angle is 24 less than twice the angle. Find the angles. So the first angle, I actually already found the angles, but I'm going to show you how I found it. Okay, the first angle, the measure of a supplement, so you're going to start with the first angle being x, of an angle is 24 less than twice the angle. So here's the angle. Twice the angle is 2x, and then 24 less than that is 2x minus 24. So if we take these two angles, they're supplements, it tells us up here. So that means x plus 2x minus 24 equals 180. 3x minus 24 equals 180. Add 24 to both sides. And you're going to get 204 equals 3x. And then if you divide by 3, x equals 68. So this is 68. To find the supplement, I just subtract 68 from 180. And I get 112. Let's see if that works. 2 times 68 is 16. Carry the 1, 12, 13. Subtract 24, and it does equal 112. You got it right. Okay, here's example 2. A supplement of an angle is 3 times as large as the complement of the angle. Find the measure of all 3 angles. So x equals the angle. Its supplement is 180 minus x, and its complement is 90 minus x. So it says a supplement of an angle is 3 times as large as the complement of the angle. So this is the complement and this is the supplement. To make them equal, I am going to multiply this one by 3, and then they should be equal, because it says a supplement of an angle, that's this, is 3 times as large as the complement of his angle. So if it's 3 times as large as the complement, we're going to multiply this times 3. So 180 minus x equals 270 minus 3x. If I add 3x to both sides, I get 2x over here. If I subtract 180 from both sides, oops, I didn't have to do that. 9 and 8 is 17. 2x equals 90, x equals 45. Let's see if that works. If x is the angle, that's 45. Its complement would also be 45. And its supplement is 180 minus 45. 7, 5, 135. So let's see if this works. A supplement of an angle, 45, is 3 times as large as the complement of his angle. Okay, this is the supplement, this is the complement. What's 45 times 3? Okay, that worked. All right, so what I'm going to have you do in your book, I would like you for homework to do the classroom exercises on page 31. I would like you to do, Megan, please don't be so close to me. I would like you to do numbers 1 through 19 odd, okay? And hopefully you won't have too hard of a time with that. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, class.